In this video, we are going to solve the examples on expected value and variance of random variable. Let's see the example. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. If x denotes the number of sixes, find the expectation of x. When two dice are thrown, then the sample space S is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 up to 6, 6. So the total number of sample points n of S is equal to 36. Here x denotes the number of sixes. X means random variable of this random experiment. So x is equal to number of sixes. That is, here we have to check the occurrence of sixes. So possibilities of occurrence of sixes are no 6, only 1 6 or 2 6. So possibilities of x is equal to 0, 1 or 2. Now here we have to find the probability of this x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. We know that probability of x is equal to number of elements in x upon total number of sample points. So if probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to the total number of sample points, total number of points in x is equal to 0 upon total number of sample points. If x is equal to 0, that is there is no 6. So the possibilities of no 6, such order pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total number of order pairs for x is equal to 0 are 25 and total number of sample points n of s is equal to 36. So probability for x is equal to 0, that is 0, 6, 25 by 36. Now probability of x is equal to 1, that is only 1 6 are. Here the order pairs for only 1 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So number of x is equal to 1 upon number of s. There are 10 pairs for x is equal to 1 upon total number of sample points 36. Now here find out the probability of x is equal to 2, that is both are 6. So number of x is equal to 2 upon number of sample points ns is equal to, here only one pair for x is equal to 2, both are 6. So probability for x is equal to 2 is 1 upon total number of sample points 36. So in this way we get the probability for x is equal to 0, 25 by 36, x is equal to 1, 13 by 36 and x is equal to 2, 1 by 36. So here the probability distribution table, are for x is equal to xi and probability pi is equal to p of x is equal to xi. So the probability distribution table for given random variable x is xi and their probability pi. Now possibilities of x 0, 1 and 2 and their corresponding probabilities. For x is equal to 0, 25 by 26, 36. For x is equal to 1, 10 by 36. And for x is equal to 2, their corresponding probability is 1 upon 36. And this is the probability distribution table for random variable x. Now here we have to find the expectation of x. So for the expectation of x, that is E of x, formula for E of x is equal to summation xi into pi. So we can write expectation or expected value of random variable x, that is E of x, is equal to summation xi into pi. Now here the product of xi and pi, the first product is 0, first value is 0 and their probability 25 by 36, that is xi into pi, plus next value xi is 1 and their probability 10 by 36. So product is 1 into 10 by 36. Now the next value 2 into 1 by 36. So addition of all these terms, first product is 0, 1 into 10 by 36, 10 by 36 plus 2 into 1 by 36, 2 upon 36 is equal to 10 plus 2, 12 by 36, that is 1 upon 3. So expected value or expectation of x, that is E of x, is equal to 1 by 3. Let's see the next example. Two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. Let x denote the larger of the two numbers obtained. Find E of x. Here random experiment is two numbers are selected at random from the first 6 positive integer without replacement. So random experiment S is the two numbers are selected from first 6 positive integer. We know that the first 6 positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the random experiment S is equal to two numbers are selected without replacement. Without replacement means the number cannot be repeated. So S can be written as the order pairs from these 6 positive integers. So we can write the first order pair 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 5 and 1 6. The next possible order pairs are 2 1, 2 2, without replacement, so we cannot write 2 2 here. The second order pair is, next order pair is 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. Next 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Next 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5 and 4 6. Next number 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4 and 5 6. Next number 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4 and 6 5. So number of S, total number of sample points are 1. Number of sample points S is equal to 30. number of x is equal to 30. Now here x denotes the larger of the two numbers of 10. So we can write x is equal to the larger number of the two numbers of 10. So possibilities of larger number of the two numbers of 10 are, that is the larger number in this order pairs are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One should not get the larger number. Only 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 numbers are the larger number. So possibilities of larger numbers of the two numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now for the expected value or E of x, we have to find the probability of this x. So probability of x is equal to 2 is equal to number of x is equal to 2 upon total number of sample points n of s. Now here for x is equal to 2, that is the condition is random variable is larger number, the larger number of the two numbers. If the larger number is 2, so here we have to find where the number 2 is larger. So possible pairs are 1, 2, 3, only 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1. So only in this two pair 2 is larger. So probability of x is equal to 2 can be written as 2 upon the total number of sample points n of s is 30. 2 upon 30. Now the next possibility, x is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 3. So also we have to find where the number 3 is larger. So the possible pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4. X is equal to 3 means 3 is larger in 4 order pairs. So we can write number of x is equal to 3 upon in a total number of sample points 4 upon 30. Now probability of x is equal to 4. Next possibility is for x is 4. So number of elements for x is equal to 3 upon total number of sample points. X is equal to 4. So here how many pairs are in this sample space where the number 4 is larger? That order pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Only 6 pairs are. So we can write probability of x is equal to 4 is 6 upon 30. Now the next possibility is x is equal to 5. So where the 5 is larger, so the possible order pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of order pairs x is equal to 5 upon total number of sample points n of s is equal to 8 upon 30. There are 8 order pairs such that 5 is larger. Now the next possibility for x is equal to 6. 6 is larger. The possible order pairs are, here 6 is larger. So first order pair 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of 10 order pairs where the 6 is larger. So number of order pairs x is equal to 6 upon total number of sample points, that is 10 upon 30. Here 8 upon 30. In this way we can write the probability distribution table for this random variable. So probability distribution for x is equal to xi and pi is equal to p of x is equal to xi. First value is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the probability of x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 2. Probability is 2 by 30. Probability is 2 by 30. Next probability for x is equal to 3, 4 by 30. For x is equal to 4, 6 by 30. X is equal to 5, 8 by 30. And also probability for x is equal to 6, 10 by 30. Now here expected value for x, that is E of x, is equal to summation of xi into pi, and this xi pi, that is the product of the value of x into their corresponding probability. So we can write the product form of xi into pi, 2 into 2 by 30 plus 3 into 4 by 30 plus next 4 into 6 by 30, their corresponding probabilities. Next plus 5 into 8 by 30 and last value of x 6 into their probability 10 by 30. Now calculating this, 2 into 2 by 30, 4 by 30 plus 3 into 4, 12 by 30 plus 4 into 6, 24 by 30 plus 40 by 30 plus 60 by 30. Now denominator is same 30 and numerator's terms are 4 plus 12 plus 24 plus 40 plus 60. Now addition of all these terms, 40 plus 60, 100 plus 24, 124 plus 12, 136 plus 4, 140 upon 30. And shortest form of 140 by 30 is 14 by 3 and decimal point form is 4.666. So this can be written as 4.67. So the expected value for the given random experiment E of x is equal to 4.67.